On the mechanical side, clients ask us when it comes to resistors, datums, machining symbols, if you can insert it as blocks, because the advantage is that the text itself is attributes, so we can export the attributes to a table. So let's make use of a few symbol commands. So on the left hand side, I'm going to go to my mechanical application, and in the sub-column, I'm going to make use of datum. So I'm going to click on datum. Now the first character I'm going to make use of is A, my datum scale, and the important part, as you can see, is create as block. So I'm going to say OK, and Caddie will ask us, indicate line arc polyline on the correct side, indicate the position of the symbol. So now let's make it a B, and I indicate on the correct side of the line. So both of them, they are symbols, but they are block references. So the A and the B is actually text, that's attribute, so that's what we're going to export to a table. We just make use of another mechanical symbol. Now remember, on the left hand side is only the most commonly used commands, so more additional commands to mechanical, you'll find it under application, mechanical, go to make notate, and let's make use of geometrical symbol. I'm going to make use of the first one, my pen color, important part, create as block. So I'm going to say OK, and then Caddie asks us once again, indicate line arc polyline for symbol on the correct side, indicate my circle, indicate the position of my block, and I press escape. So now we would like to export these blocks to a table. So the command that we're going to make use of is under modify, then we go down to blocks, we go down to attributes, and then you see there's an option that says extract attribute to table. So I'm going to click on the command, and Caddie asks us extract all attributes from block references in model space, or you can be more specific and you can say select block reference to extract attribute. So I'm going to say all, I'm going to say OK, and Caddie gives me a list of all my blocks. I'm going to ask Caddie to give me a block representation, and at any stage we can rearrange it. As you can see, I move it up or down. I'm going to say OK, and Caddie asks us indicate first corner of table. So all I have to do is indicate first point, opposite corner, press escape, and as you can see, it's giving me my name, my block representation. Let's just make this one a bit bigger, my datum, as well as the tolerance.